Let's select a video project. We'll go with this YouTube video, or you can click this one to open the file size. So I will select a YouTube video. Now let's go to our Elements tab here. We're going to be adding in videos that will serve as B-roll that we can use and lay the voiceover over it. So I'm going to go on that video here and click on see all. So I will just drag any video just to be able to lay what I want to say and paste on the timeline like so. I will drag my second clip and paste on this like so. And I will select on any of the pages. And you see it has brought out this editing toolbar. I'm just going to click on volume and mute the volume of this video. I will apply it to all the videos. I'm going to click on notes to paste in the text I want to record. So after pasting in my text, the next thing I'm going to do is I will click on share and click on see all here. And where it says present and record, I'm going to click on present and record. I'll go to recording studio. So I don't want it to pick my camera, so I left it as no camera. So there's no camera that is selected. I just want to record my audio. And the default microphone is also the microphone of this PC. I don't have a lot of microphone on it. So I'm using my PC mic. And you see it has said start recording. So I'm going to click on it and I will start recording. So I'm going to read this script. Waiting, experience, fit understand. People go see person wey dey struggle, dem go laugh am. But na only who dey waka for dark road sabi how to dodge gutter. Who no go know. If you never feel heartbreak, you go dey give relationship advice like professor. If hunger never wire you, you go dey judge person wey dey hustle like lion. Make we learn to calm down. Sometimes, silence na respect. Who no go know. So I'm done recording now. I'm going to end my recording. And you see it's uploading my recording. Please keep this window open while uploading. This might take a little while. Save and exit. You can also download. If you click on download, it's going to download your video. But we're not going to be doing that. I'm going to close this out because I want to still edit this audio. I talked in some parts. I'm going to go to my uploads tab here and come to my audio, and you see the recording we did now. So I'm going to click on that and it's going to open up down here. Now that I've added my audio, let's preview it and see where we are going to start cutting out. We want to edit our audio and I will start recording. So I'm going to read this script. Waiting. So you see where I started. Even the wavelength on the audio can show you where to start cutting out. I'm going to click S on my keyboard to split this audio. You see it has splitted the audio. So I'm going to tap on the one behind it and I'm going to delete it with the delete key in my keyboard. Now I'm going to pull this audio to the beginning. Now that we've splitted the audio, I'm going to select the audio. It didn't start properly because we dragged it. And I'm going to go to adjust to bring in some part of it. You see that arrow that has been highlighted? I'm going to use it to pull in the part we've cut. You see, you can use the wavelength to see what you're doing with the audio. So I'm going to use it to adjust. If I pull it all through, it's going to take me away from the beginning. But that's not what I want to do. I already know where the wavelength is. So I'm going to use that to position the audio where I want it to start, which is this part. I want a little bit of silence before it starts talking. So yeah, with the wavelength on the audio too, you can start knowing where to start editing from. Let me take the playhead to the beginning and let's preview that. Waiting, experience, fit understand. People go see person with, you see, we've previewed that. Let's take this to the end to see the part of the audio. So there was where I paused. And when I finished recording, I started saying something else. We'll preview that. Sometimes silence na respect. Who no go know. I'll make sure I place my playhead where I want to split the audio. This is where I want to split. So clicking S on your keyboard is going to also do the same thing the sign on the editing toolbar will do, which is split audio. So I'm going to use this sign this time around. It has splitted the audio, and I'm going to use the delete key on my keyboard to delete the excess part out. Now that we are here, I'm going to tap on the video, which is the clips I'm using to do the voiceover on, and also split on it. And I'll use the delete key on my keyboard to delete it. Yeah, now that we have our audio, let me click the audio again. You see, we have our audio. Look at the parts we cut out. It's still showing a faint of it. So don't bother about this one you're seeing. The SSC you're seeing, those are the parts that was trimmed from the audio. It's just showing like you that this is the length of your full audio. One more thing I can do to this audio is to enhance the audio so it sounds clear. So I'm going to go over to enhance audio here. So you see voice clarity enhance, we hear you loud and clear. Now when I play my audio, waiting experience, fit understand. So you see how clear that is. Another thing I can do, if I want to use this audio outside of Canva, I can also come under my uploads tab here, still under audio, and go to the audio we recorded, click these three dots, and download this audio into my computer or my device to use it in any other project I want to use it for. You see, it has downloaded the audio. Once you're happy with your video, you like everything, you set your clips how you want them, you can click on the share button here, click on download. I like to download my video in the highest quality in 4K and download your video. Now this is how to record a voiceover in Canva. I offer a 1-month one-on-one personalized coaching on how to use Canva. If this is something you're interested in, use the link in the description box to get to the Discover page. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one. Waiting experience, fit understand. People go see person wey dey struggle, dem go laugh am, but na only who dey waka for dark road sabi how to dodge gutter. Who no go no go know. If you never feel heartbreak, you go dey give relationship advice like professor. If hunger never wire you, you go dey judge person wey dey hustle like lion. Make we learn to calm down. Sometimes silence na respect. Who no go no go know.